Now with the elections, people are always asking me what I would do if I was like I get these questions. Then I go like, it's so. I'm actually quite conservative. People will be quite shocked at my opinions, and that's why I don't share them because they're divisive sometimes. You know, everyone's got a different opinion. But let me tell you now, day one, I'm bringing back leefstraf for adults over the age of 20, not children. I don't like children must get hiding when they're in school. Over the age of 20, as jy TV gesteel het, laat jou gat aan die brand. Vuurwarm, jou sterre. O, sien jy so daai ou wat jy TV in die TES kon kry nie? Jy kry 6 van die bestes plus 2 ekstra vir onnoseligheid want jy kan nie die TV die boks het gekry het of op die dak gesit het nie. Warme gatte. Jy sal sien hy raai so verby gewees het. It would have been over in days. Imagine in Parliament how quiet it would be. If people are, oh, honorable member, why are you standing? No, Madam Speaker, you gave me 6 of the bestes last week on Tuesday and it's still with me. Het sal choep stil is op 'n maandag as so in parlement. Niemand sal praat, het hulle turn uit. Dan communicate ons. That's the building blocks of democracy.